Welcome to Unicorns in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite roasted Brussels sprouts with a delicious tahini yogurt dressing and sumac. Start by cutting your Brussels sprouts in half and trim the bottom if it has like a brown spot. Also make sure that none of the Brussels sprouts has any yellow leaves or dirt on them. Place them in a bowl and then add some minced garlic. I love adding a lot of garlic. Here I have about 6 or 7 cloves, but you can add less if you want. Some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon adds just the right amount of brightness to this recipe and makes it so delicious. Add some black pepper, some coriander. You can also add some smoked paprika at this stage if you like. Don't forget to add a good pinch of salt. And finally, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Now grab your spatula and mix everything together. Make sure every bit of those Brussels sprouts is coated in olive oil. This is an important step because this will help caramelizing those Brussels sprouts. Transfer them to a baking sheet and just spend a couple of minutes to turn over all the Brussels sprouts so you have the cut side down. Now this might not seem like an important step, but it's super important because this will help every single piece to get brown and charred very nicely. Roast them at 400 for about 20 minutes until they look like this. Now every bit of those Brussels sprouts is now charred and browned beautifully. Look at that. It looks so good now. I can just have it right now like this, but I always go one step ahead and make my very delicious yogurt tahini sauce. To make this sauce, you need some yogurt. I love using whole milk yogurt, but Greek yogurt works just fine. You also need some tahini. Make sure you're using some high quality tahini for this dish. Some salt and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I also use some water to just thin out the sauce. You can add as much water as you want, just make sure that it's not too runny. Mix it all together and that's basically your yogurt tahini sauce. And you can use it on salads, you can use it on roasted veggies, on anything you like. It's so good. Now all you need to do is to just drizzle this sauce on your roasted Brussels sprouts. And I always like to top it with a little bit sumac because it just adds a little bit of tang that I really love. And that's basically it. This is such an easy, nice side dish and everyone loves it. You can serve it with some grilled meat, chicken, steaks, anything like that. Enjoy!